Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. If it's your very first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so when I post a video next time you get notified. And I'm back with another amazing video. Today we are preparing colored popcorns. And here are our ingredients: the popcorn seeds, a quarter kg, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and salt. You start by adding cooking oil into your sufuria, your salt and the popcorn seeds, then mix them for a while, then cover them and let them cook. After your popcorns are ready, now you're going to prepare the colored ones. So first of all, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and add a little amount of water. Then mix for a while. So after that, I added the raspberry food coloring. Then stir it for a while. Then after that, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. After that, mix it for a while. Then you can now add your cooked popcorns. Then mix them properly so that they can get the color that you want. And here it's our final results. That's how they looked. So in our second color, I used the blue food coloring. So you have to repeat the same procedure. You can use any color that you want. And here are our blue colored popcorns. If you really enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on your notification bell so when I post a video next time you get notified. So till next time, bye.